Hi, I am Dr. B. Umameshwar Rao from Neeru Manam YouTube channel. Today, I came here to explain you about rainwater. In India, every year we are getting rainfall, and the amount of rainfall we are getting is varying year by year. But in an average, if you see the rainfall of India, it is around 1200 millimeter. Then how much actually, what is the total quantum of rainfall falling on our entire country? If we want to know, means we have to calculate area into the rainfall. The unit should be area of the country is in square kilometers and our rainfall should be in kilometer. Then we will get the volume of rainfall falling on our country, in our country. So let us see how much rainwater in a year we are getting from rainfall. Our country area is 3.28 million square kilometers. Our rainfall is, as I have already told, 1200 mm, average rainfall of our country. If we convert it into kilometers, it will be 0.0012 kilometer. Then if we multiply these two figures, we will get this 4000 kilometer cube. That is the volume of rainwater we are getting in a year in our country, in our entire country. So now we will see what are the different factors in our hydrological cycle. If you see, one is after this rainfall falling on our earth, it will be infiltrating and some part of it is becoming as runoff and flowing into the rivers or streams. Then evaporation, another factor, and transpiration. Through this evaporation and transpiration, again this rainwater, this water is coming to the atmosphere. Some part of the infiltrated water is going to groundwater also. So now we will see what is happening this 4000 kilometer cube of rainwater after falling on earth. Partly, that is around 18%, it is evaporating immediately. It amounts to 720 kilometer cube. Then 32% of rainwater is becoming as runoff or surface water. That is around 1280 kilometer cube. These two put together 50%, and 50% of the rainwater is infiltrating into the ground. After infiltration, 41% of the rainwater is becoming as soil moisture. That means the top soil portion only retaining 41% of the infiltrated 50% rainwater. After infiltrating, what is happening? 9% of the water is percolating into the ground and becoming as groundwater. This 41% soil moisture, later on 29%, 1160 kilometer cube is under transpiration, it is reaching again to the atmosphere. 12% through evaporation, again it is reaching to atmosphere. So now, out of 50% infiltrated water, only 9% is becoming as groundwater, and some additions are there for the groundwater. What are the additions? Return irrigation command areas, 3.99%. Then recharge from MI tanks, minor irrigation tanks, it is 0.67%. Recharge from MI tanks, ICUT, 0.64%. Put together, it is 5.3%. 9% direct infiltration, percolated groundwater, and 5.3% addition. then it becomes 14.3%. Total groundwater component is only 14.3%. Out of that, that means 572 kilometer cube. Out of 4,000 kilometer cube, groundwater component is only 572 kilometer cube. Out of this 572 kilometer cube also, we are utilizing only 250 kilometer cube. The rest is becoming again surface water, maybe going into the sea, maybe going to the other countries. Like that it is distributing, but we are utilizing only now 250 kilometer cube. Then we will go to surface water. How we are utilizing surface water? You see, out of 32% means 1280 kilometer cube. Out of 1280 kilometer cube, again some additions are there. For 1280 kilometer cube or 32%, some additions are coming into surface water. What are those additions? From outside India, maybe from other countries, around 5% it is addition, and groundwater, from groundwater again some portion is becoming surface water, and irrigated area from irrigated area and other sources. Put together 1830 kilometer cube surface water, total surface. Out of that, we are utilizing only 500 kilometer cube. Rest again, it is going to something is going to groundwater, something rest is going to sea, and also maybe for other countries are like that. So out of surface water we are utilizing 500 kilometer cube, groundwater 250 kilometer cube. Those two put together only 750 kilometer cube we are utilizing in our country. How we are utilizing this 750 kilometer cube, how we are utilizing, we will see now. For irrigation, 84%, 630 kilometer cube. For domestic, 4.4%, 33 kilometer cube. Industrial, 4%, 30 kilometer cube. Energy, 3.6%, 27 kilometer cube. Others, 4%, 30 kilometer cube. This way, we are utilizing 750 kilometer cube of rainwater. Out of total 4,000 kilometer cube, we are utilizing only 750 kilometer cube, and these figures I am giving for a common man purpose, may be varying depending on others or depending on the department giving, or depending on the year of calculations or something like that. So in a broad sense, in a broad way, our rainwater falling on in our country, how it is forming, in what shapes it is taking, in what way it is going into grounds or in different shapes, and how much we are utilizing. Those figures I wanted to give you, and I gave here. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you. Namaste.